Do you know which SST group you belong to? How do you check? Step 1.
Go to http://mysst.customs.gov.my.
Step 2.
Click Registration Status on the top menu.
Step 3.
Select SST registration number. Enter your full SST number, then click Submit.
Step 4.
Here's an example of how the system will show it to you.
Important notes.
The system will show your SST details, including your service tax group, for example, Group G for professional services, or Group I for other service providers.
This step is important because your group determines whether the B2B exemption applies to you. Now, how do you know if the B2B exemption is available to you?
You qualify for B2B exemption only if your company is registered for service tax, and you provide a taxable service listed under a group that supports B2B exemption, which currently includes Group G, professional services, Group I, other service providers. If you fall under either of these groups, and you buy the same type of taxable service from another service tax registered provider, you may claim the exemption.
Let me show you conditions for service tax B2B exemption.
Condition 1. Both the service provider and the service recipient must be registered for service tax.
Condition 2.
The service acquired must be the same type of taxable service that the recipient provides.
Condition 3.
The service must not be for own consumption. It must be used to provide your own taxable services. In short, you must use it to serve your customers, not only for internal purposes.
Reporting requirement.
If you use the B2B exemption, you must report the exempted tax amount in Form SST-02, Column 18, C1. This is a compliance requirement, not optional.
Thanks for watching, and
Hey, looking for reliable company, secretarial and tax support?
we began as an accounting firm offering bookkeeping services, and over the years, we've expanded into a full-service firm providing
Company secretarial services, tax advisory and SST submissions, withholding tax filing and expat payroll, support for international subsidiaries, payments, invoicing, and compliance, e-invoicing, training, and tailored software support.
Thanks for your attention. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.